Hello, Mr. Cherry. Today we're going to talk about the conclusion of an extended essay. What is the conclusion?
This is possibly the second most important element or part of an extended essay, and is where you provide an answer to your research question. I mean, whatever you have done, you spend 40 hours reading, writing, producing an extended essay, or you obviously are looking for an answer. And this is the place where you would write the answer to your research question. Now you have to be careful because the answer, once again, needs to relate to the research question. You should not be answering other questions in a way. The conclusion should never include additional information or new information, right? And it shouldn't take the form of a summary either. Some students, unfortunately, think that a conclusion is a summary of the extended essay. And what they do is they summarize in the conclusion what they actually did in the body of the extended essay. And it shouldn't be the case. The conclusion should be very, very specific, right? Whether the conclusion or whether the answer to that research question is affirmative or negative, it's not a problem, as long as your findings are completely justified.
Okay, so the tricky part with the conclusion means that you should not re-summarize information you've already presented, and you cannot present new information.
That is correct.
So the conclusion should specifically answer the research question.
Exactly. So, and because chances are that you have not chosen a yes/no question, obviously you will need to expand your answer as to say how come you came to this conclusion. For example, if you decided that your question begins with up to what extent, that allows you for some flexibility on being very specific of possibly the number of aspects that you found that were either positive or negative in terms of your original research question.
And can you give some information about problems with most people's conclusions?
As I said before, if you intend your conclusion to become a summary of your extended essay, chances are that your conclusion will be extremely long, which would not be obviously appropriate. Number two, make sure that your conclusion answers the research question. Some conclusions that I've read over the years speak about the topic, but they never answer the research question.
Thank you very much.